What's going on, guys? Cameron here from KC Turbos. You're familiar with our 6-liter upgraded intercooler. This thing is great. Totally awesome. Barn design, casted end tanks, TIG welded all together so you won't get any leaks. Now, originally that was just for the 6-liter guys. Now, thanks to KC Turbos SIT conversion boots, you'll be able to run the 6-liter intercooler on your 7.3 Powerstroke. These bad boys will slide right on. I have to check, but I'm pretty sure this is like over 30% larger than a 7.3 intercooler, which is pretty great. Flow path is totally different, much more efficient. Overall, it's just a better product, better performance for your truck. And another thing, this kit also includes constant torque style cat clamps. So what these are, instead of your standard T-bolt clamps, these are fine, these are great. You can get sprung ones, which are a little bit better than the unsprung clamps. However, in our experience, since these tubes are so long, and even though we made them extra heavy duty, they still have a lot of deflection. So we opted to go with these constant torque clamps because these are the type of clamps used by guys like Kenworth, Peterbilt, huge heavy duty tractor trailers. They're running this type of clamp. So if it's good enough for them and it's good enough for our testing, it's gonna be great for you guys at home. If you guys want a kit like this, check it out now on kcturbos.com.